way, I am going to be going live on my Facebook page, Regina Quinn Car Loans. I'm going to try to go live at least 3 or 4 days a week. I'm not going to say 5, but I'm going to try that, because I'm going to try to go live, give you information, sharing nuggets that may help you. But if it doesn't help you, maybe it'll help someone else. Today's topic, we're going to talk about refinancing your auto loan. I had a customer that came to see me today. They were looking to refinance their loan, and they just got their car in April. So I can tell the business because I'm not giving you a name. I'm not violating any sharing the information again because I'm not giving you a name. But anyway, the customer bought a car from me in April, and I told the customer that, within a year, you need to go to your credit union and refinance your auto loan, because she's paying in a double digit. She's paying about 21% on her vehicle that she purchased from me. She does belong to a credit union, and we sent her to the credit union that she belongs to, but they turned her down. In my mind, I'm thinking you get some payments made on your vehicle on time for almost a year, maybe 8 months to a year. Then you go to them, you try to look to refinance your auto loan. When you refinance your auto loan, doesn't matter whether you get a vehicle from me or you get a vehicle from someone else. When you're looking to refinance your auto loan and you go to a credit union, you go to a bank, they're going to look up and they're going to say your car is worth this, but you owe this. Give you an example. Say you owe $24,000 on your vehicle, and they say, you know what? Your vehicle's only worth $22,000. So your vehicle you owe $24,000 on your vehicle, and they say you owe $22,000. So 22, 23, 24, you got $2,000 that you have. Makes up a difference that the credit union says that they're not going to finance you because you paid more for the car than what it's worth. So get it, I'm going to back up. You go to your credit union, you go to the bank, and they say you owe $24,000 on your car. They say the car is only worth $22,000. So you got $2,000 somewhere. They're either going to tell you to come in with $2,000 to be able to refinance that loan, get you out the double digits, or get your interest rate lower than what it is, if they'll do that particular refinance. But listen, if you have a warranty on your vehicle or you have gap insurance, first thing you want to do is make sure that that credit union, that bank has you already approved. They have you already approved. If the credit union bank already has you approved, you say, you know what, can you give me a letter showing I'm automatically approved? You go back to the dealership if you purchase gap or warranty on your vehicle. Listen closely, take notes. If you purchase gap and warranty on your vehicle, you can have the dealership cancel your gap insurance and cancel your warranty, and that'll come off the principal balance of your loan. I'm gonna say it again. You owe $24 on your car, and the credit union bank says it's worth $22, so you got $2,000 left, right? That has to go somewhere. The bank wants you, or the credit union wants you to come in with $2,000. Well, when you go to the dealership, you say to the finance manager, whoever it is, you say, you know what? How much is my gap and how much is my warranty if I cancel it? What would be the money that would be the difference that could come off my loan? This particular customer, it was, I'm just going to give you a number. It was $28.95, so $2,895 that will be canceled off her loan balance of her loan, right? So you got $24,000 she owes on her car. Just give me an example. $24,000 owed on her car minus $28.95, and that's including the gap in the warranty. And the credit union says the vehicle's only worth $22. By the time we take the $24,000 and then you minus that $2,000, that's $21,105 that you have left that you're going to be owed on your car. $22,000 minus $21,105, you have $895 to the positive that should come back. That will be money that will come back to you. But listen to me. Let me just be clear about what I'm about to say. When you cancel a warranty and gap and you owe money on your vehicle, that money does not come back to you. You're not owed that money because you still owe the finance company money. So remember, you cancel that gap in that warranty, that money that's going to be canceled from the warranty company, they're going to send it to who? They're going to send it to your finance company, and it's going to come off the balance of your loan. Now that's important, because a lot of people think that they're going to get cash money back into their pocket, but you're not. Coming out of the principal balance of your loan. So I'm going to go over it real quick, because you can go back and watch this video or share this video. You owe $24,000 only on your car. The credit union bank says only give you $22,000. So you got $2,000 that you're going to have to come up with if you want to refinance that car. But if you have gap and warranty on your vehicle, you can have the dealership cancel your gap and your warranty. Now the money's not coming back to you. It's going to go to the finance company, and that's going to come off the balance of your loan. Now I gave you an example earlier, and I said, if we canceled everything for that customer, right? The gap and the warranty, but we haven't done it yet, but we canceled it. The warranty and the gap total is $28.95. $28.95 minus $24,000. Let me do it again. $24,000 minus $24,000 minus $28.95 is $21,105. That's the money that's going to go to your finance company. After they pay a loan off, you have $895 to the positive. That should come back to you. The reason I'm doing this video is because if you look into refinance your car and your interest rate is in the double digits, it's 15-20%, and your credit union says they can give you the pre-approved and say, hey, I can get you a 10%, I can get you 8% on that particular loan, that new loan. You cancel your gap in your warranty, it's paid off with the finance company, and you have some money left over. That money comes back to you. Do not just go cancel your warranty thinking the money's going to come back to you, because it's not. But no, it's a process. But I do say this. Nobody should actually do this unless you know for sure that you approve for that new loan at your credit union. Sometimes people try to get a little bit smarter than what they are. Or they figure, let me cancel it. But let me just say this. If you cancel your warranty and gap and you're through a credit union, you go into that credit union, get gap insurance, because your gap insurance is important. I don't have time in this video to explain the gap insurance, but you can always reach out to me, inbox me, or text me on one of my platforms, and we can talk about gap insurance. Now, you can also find out whether your warranty, whether your credit union, your bank has a warranty. Okay, a warranty, gap and warranty. So if you cancel on your existing loan, you go into your credit union, make sure you can get gap and warranty, because you never know what's going to happen with your vehicle. All right, so guys, guess what? I said I was going to be going live at least 3 or 4 days a week on my page, sharing information. And I hope this helps. But if you don't need this information, share it with someone else, because you never know what situation the person's in. So guys, give me some love, give me some hearts, give me something, because I share some great information with you. Share this video, share knowledge, because knowledge is power. And thanks for tuning in.